Hey guys, hi and warm welcome to Skill Union Trade Channel. My name is Mekti. Today is September 21st, and here we talk about cryptocurrency market, what happened last week, what is going to happen next one. Not to forget that anything we talk about in this video should not be considered as a financial advice. In case you need one, please get a consultant to help you out. So do not forget to hit the like button in the beginning of the video. Also, join our group in Telegram. Let's start. And as always, we start with cryptocurrencies number 1 and number 2, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. With Bitcoin, we have a sign of strength. The market price is pushing up. It is trading well above 60,000 right now, 63,000. Let's see how it will close this week, but so far the signs are good and strong for the bulls to keep on pushing the price higher. But there are problems on the way. On the daily time frame, we can see the margins are just rocking it. I mean, if you have a marginal trade on Bitcoin with 3 or 5x leverage, right now you're feeling a very good profits. And if you're looking forward to make even more profits, there are levels of resistance on the way up after we break the all-time high. And those are 82, 95, and 108,000 respectively. And you can keep on holding your position, but not to forget that anytime the situation may change, the wind might change, and it will blow you out. So once you have a marginal position or any type of a position in Bitcoin right now, just be careful and do not forget about your stop loss. Regarding the short traders, I mean, they're trying to push the price down. It went above 61,000. They tried to stop it over here, but unfortunately for the short traders, for the bears, the price went even higher. There are not yet many liquidations happening, but you can see the levels of 64,400 being the closest resistance, and those are the levels where shorts in August made the price go down. Right now, breaking above this level may trigger the price to go even higher to $68,000, 68,500. But once it breaks the 70, we can see a huge wave of liquidations happening and the price skyrocketing even higher. So far for the bears, I'm sorry, but you're feeling very, very sad right now. For the trade that we didn't actually continue, that was the buy at 55,000. I was considering to buy it at 52 as well, 53, but unfortunately I was out in that weekend and I couldn't trade it. Yet I had closed my positions in zeros right now, and I'm looking forward for another entry to the long. And we can see that the price very well held at 52, 53 to 55,000. If you bought here and you're still holding, good for you. In case you're not out of position as I am, we could consider something else. And that's another trade that might be happening within the next few weeks in case the price corrects itself. So if the price goes down lower to maybe 58 or 57,000, that might be a good place to go long again. That's max 10x leverage, so be careful in case you're trading it. So far so good. I mean, we have the pin bar over here on a 4-hour time frame, and the price might go lower. In case it does not, this picture might change. We are going to send an updates in our Telegram group, so be sure to subscribe to our group. As I was saying about the problems that the bulls might face, these are the ones. So these are the levels of resistance that we might face when we go up in price. So the first one is 65,000, which is the high in August. Then we have about 70,000, which is the high of July. Then we have the May and June high, about 71, 72,000, and the high that we made about 73,750, which is the all-time high for the price of Bitcoin. So once we start breaking those levels, we can definitely see that the trend has changed, and those lows that we made before, the lower highs basically and lower lows, might have changed. So the trend is still going up. You can see the yellow line on the screen, which is showing the trend. This trend is still up. We have not broken below it. Once we break below, that might be a problem. But so far, we have not shown the signs of super strength when the bulls are pushing the market price to go up. Be careful. And talking about Ethereum to Bitcoin, we were expecting it to retest much earlier, but unfortunately did not. Right now, we can see that the price of Ethereum to Bitcoin is still going down, and we can see the levels of resistance like pushing the price, trying to push it higher, but unfortunately cannot. The sells are continuing, and what we can see is the best place to buy Ethereum to Bitcoin 0.0 0.033, 0.031 levels. I mean, there are a lot of sells right now happening at 0.04. I see those sells, and they are huge right now. So the market maker is going to push the price lower, Ethereum to Bitcoin. In case it starts to close higher, I mean higher than 0.043, we can see the bullishness in Ethereum to Bitcoin and the price of Ethereum to rise as well. Right now, Ethereum is not that strong. Right now, we can see that Ethereum is not showing any signs of a huge strength as Bitcoin does. The Bitcoin dominance is going up, yet the Ethereum price is making lower highs. So far, it didn't show that it has a strength and it's going to push above 2,800. Now we can see that the price might be facing troubles even at 2,550. In case it does, the best solution is to try to buy it at 1,600, sorry, and those are the levels of the support we can definitely see. I mean, as long as 2,100 are still holding the price, it's good. But once it breaks down, you can definitely look at 1,600 to buy. As I said before, the market dominance of BTC is still going up. I'm almost sure that 60% might be the level of resistance. A lot of people do not know where to hold their cryptocurrencies. I would recommend Unstoppable Wallet. Unstoppable team had created a Telegram mini app where you can earn Unstoppable tokens for free. Plus, if you're smart enough and know about crypto space, you can earn even more tokens of Unstoppable. Unstoppable Wallet, wallet number 1. The link is down below. Now let's talk about altcoins. With number 1 BNB altcoin, we can definitely see the price is still going and pushing higher. I mean, 550 was a level of resistance. It actually managed to push even higher. We still have a lot of room for the shorters to sell at $600 or $650. Yet everybody's looking at this inverted head and shoulders pattern and thinks that the price might even break the all-time high. Let's see how it's going to happen. CZ is coming out of the prison soon, so all the things are good, everything is fine, except that the levels of resistance might still hold the price and it will not break. I mean, we need to break this closest high, which is 597. If we break 597, 605, and then we go higher to 650. So be careful, be ready in case you have a BNB or using BNB, be sure to hold some. Regarding Solana is trying to break this dynamic level of resistance for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time. This is crazy. Solana is trying to do its best, yet it had not done it yet. And we can see that the price is meeting this resistance. If it does not manage to do it this time, this is probably the moment it will go to $100. But there is a chance with all the good news happening to Solana blockchain, it might break it and break the 160, 175, and even 198 levels of resistance. So in case you're holding Solana, be sure to gain your profits once it reaches the levels of resistance. If the price goes down and you're still not holding enough Solana, you can also buy it at $100. Regarding XRP is doing nothing with basically 3 months sideways trading, and you can see these levels of 55, 52, and 62 cents is just jumping above, bottom to top, doing almost nothing. We still have a level of resistance 69 cents. Maybe it's consolidating just to make some crazy gains in future, but so far nothing happening to XRP. Regarding Dogecoin is trying to break the 10 cents resistance level. We've seen it before. It's trying to do it for the 3rd time already, 4th time basically. Once it does that, there's a level of 11 cents, which is the high of August. It will need to break above, and then the 14 cents, which is the high of July, needs to break above. Yet there's also a whole area of resistance at 15 and 17 cents. So be careful, guys. In case you have Dogecoin and you're holding it, be sure to sell it once it goes up. In case you don't have a Dogecoin, 7 cents might be the good place to start buying it. Regarding Toncoin is doing its best, trying to break above the 556, and this level of resistance is showing its strength. I mean, you can see the price is trying to push higher than 580. Unfortunately, it does not. I mean, the price is still jumping on this level of resistance. Now it's trying to show signs of support. Imagine it could be a sand. Once it broke below the sand, it's trying to break above now and trying to stand on it. Once it holds it, 633 is a level of resistance we can see clearly on the chart. Regarding the Tron coin, thank you CZ for selling all the Trons and making the price go a bit down. I mean, once it breaks the 14 cents, guys, 13.75 and 12 cents respectively are the levels to buy. Regarding Cardano, which is still holding the 31 cents level, it's been very well and is trying to break above the 35 cents level, but there is a huge level of dynamic resistance it needs to break above so it can show the signs of strength. Right now there's not much strength in Cardano. Hope there's some changes in the project. As much as I know, they're trying to get rid of the CEO of the company, but right now there's not much very good information about Cardano. And Avalanche, the coin that was almost out of our charts, it actually made it back. It is trading right now with a market cap of more than $10 billion. And actually it has shown us a sign of trade that we can make, and the trade would be buying it at $23, having a stop loss below the lows of September. And in case it goes well, it can actually make good profits of 37% on that trade. So we'll keep on watching for Avalanche. In case you're trading it with a leverage, be sure not to hit the stop loss. We'll see if the price, if it will correct, because right now it's showing the signs of strength. It's trying to break above $28, but if it shows the signs of correction, we can definitely see the levels of $23 being a good level to buy and try to hold the price along with the trend higher to $31 to $35 respectively. And as usual, we talk about the altcoins that are bullish to Bitcoin according to my view, and you've seen many of them already, like BNB, Solana, and Tron. Yet there's few more which is still the same, which is FET, MantraDAO, People, and Super we have not talked about for a week. And the first one is Fetch AI, basically artificial intelligence, and look at it go. I mean, the price is still pushing higher. There is a 30% profit in case you bought some at 132, 121. In case you have a position in Fetch AI, you can start selling it at 174 once it reaches that price. But so far, it is very good. You can see that the levels of resistance, that's previous highs that we had, is being broken one by one. But the closest one is 174. This is 186, the level of high of June of this year. So let's see if it does that. In case it does, that is going to be great for Fetch AI. I personally do not believe that artificial intelligence is doing significantly great things. So far, it has not made me there yet. Regarding the MantraDAO that I'm holding very well for a long time, for a year already, it keeps on pushing higher. There is a possibility for it to break the all-time high. There is no signs of it going back to correction, and there is no actual sign for it to go down. So far, in case you're holding it or you bought some at $1, there's a huge possibility for it to reach 140, 141, and the levels of resistance further on we're going to talk about. But yet, it's still good. Regarding Supercoin, which has been new in our charts, but it's still bullish, we can see the trend, and the highs are higher, the lows are higher, so the signs are good. There's a possibility for the ones that bought the Supercoin at 69 cents to make good profits at $1. It's about 46%. In case it breaks this level of resistance at 112 and 102, it can actually show the signs or even more strength because the bulls are buying and the price is still going up. There's a possibility for it to make another 48% in gains after 112 has been broken and the price holds above it. So be sure to sell it once it reaches the levels in case you have some coins of those kinds, or in case you don't, be sure to buy some at 69 or 47 cents. Regarding People, which is the last meme coin that we see, it's doing nothing. It's been trading sideways since August, so there's not much to be done. It's still not going down to let us buy it at 4 cents, or it's not letting us sell it at 7 cents. So far nothing is happening, so People, sideways movement, very boring. There is a mini app on Telegram that I like very much. It's called BLUM. BLUM might be the future way of exchanging tokens on the centralized exchange, basically in your Telegram. The guys that are working on the token are pretty well known to crypto world, and so far their projects work very well. The link is down below. Do not forget to click it because you will get free tokens. You can farm the tokens every day, every 8 hours. Simple and is easy to do. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time, next week. Do not forget to hit the bell button and the like button. Bye.